Hazrat Yahya bin Abi Kathir states that he inquired of Abu Salama bin Abdul Rahman which part of the Quran was revealed in the first instance. He replied, "The chapter, the mantled one." I whereupon said, "I have been told that the chapter, the clot of blood, was the first chapter to be revealed." Thereupon Abu Salama said that he asked Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah which chapter of the Quran was revealed first. He replied, "The mantled one." I submitted, "I have been told that the chapter, the clot of the blood, was the first to be revealed." He whereupon said, "I have told you what Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam told me." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I had retired to the cave Hira after completing the session. When I ascended and reached the valley, someone called me. I whereupon looked forward, backward, to right and to left, and saw someone sitting on a throne in between the heaven and the earth. I came back home and asked Khadija to wrap me up and pour the cold water on me. So these verses were revealed to me. O the mantled one, stand up, then warn and magnify your Lord alone." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4924.